Whenever we have to learn something new, a new topic, a new subject, or anything new activity, we always go and search for beginner tutorials, and that is because we want to start from scratch. We want to know the basics, and then we can grow over that. As we grow older, we get some kind of experience and knowledge, and then we sometimes feel a little awkward in going and starting something from very scratch, very beginning. Sometimes we also feel a little difficult to approach somebody who is much younger than us, much less experienced than us. I believe that if you have this mindset, a student's mindset, to always keep on learning, no matter what your age, no matter what your title or designation or your knowledge is, you will always keep on learning something new, and you never know, the knowledge can come from anywhere. So I will request you to always be a good student, keep on learning, and always keep this feeling of learning new alive in you, and this will take you places. Thank you for watching.